So one of the major causes of dryness is lack of proper deep conditioning, and honestly you don't actually have to break the bank to deep condition your hair. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to combine 3 simple natural hair ingredients to achieve a luscious, well moisturized hair. Now if that seems like what you're interested in, just keep on watching. So the first ingredient is fenugreek seed. Now fenugreek seed is amazing when it comes to strengthening our hair and increasing sleep for detangling. So I went ahead and I soaked 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seed overnight, and the next day this is what it was looking like. So then I'll pour it in my blender and introduce my second ingredient, which is avocado. Avocado is one of those fruits your hair loves but won't tell you. I mean, it's packed with healthy fats and vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin E, and vitamin D that deeply moisturizes and nourishes your hair strands. If your hair is like always dry, brittle, or breaking, avocado helps to soften it and strengthen it from the inside out. It also gives your hair that natural shine and elasticity, so it looks juicy and feels healthy. Avocado is not just for toast, if you get what I mean. Your hair wants it too. So I'm using 1 avocado, like very ripe avocado. 1 is okay. And my next ingredient is aloe vera. So I went ahead to dice my aloe vera into smaller pieces so that way I can easily crush it. Now if you are sensitive to aloe vera skin, you can scoop the gel inside of the aloe vera, okay? However, make sure that you wash your aloe vera thoroughly before using it on your hair. So then I added shea butter. If you've been following me, you would notice that I always add shea butter to my deep conditioner. Unless I don't have shea butter readily available at home, then I'll skip it. But if I do have it, I like to add it because it helps to, there's a shine and hold that gives my hair that I really like. So then I'll go ahead and blend my mixture. While blending, I added more water just because I wanted it to look a certain way. Like I wanted the consistency to be a little runny but not too watery, and this is what it looks like after I finish blending. So now I'm going to sieve it, and this part is like very important. Like this part is very important, don't mind me, but yeah, it is. Like if you don't sieve this mixture properly, it is going to stuck on your hair. There's no 2 ways about it, unless really if your blender is like the bullet blender. I've heard of bullet blender that used to like crush something to nothing, unless that's the kind of blender that you have. But if not, if you have like the normal regular blender, please go ahead and sieve this mixture. Number 1, that fenugreek seed can leave particles that you might not be able to get out completely, and aloe vera has a little bit of particles too. So sieving it is very important, as it's going to help you when you're washing it to wash it out with ease. So now that I am done sieving, I'm going to add one last thing, and this part is very optional. If you don't want, you can totally skip it, and that is essential oils. You can choose to use as many as you have. I don't know if that is correct, but I'm using 2 in this video. I'm using my tea tree essential oil and lavender essential oil, and these 2 is very nice. I always try to have these 2 available. Like I can run out of other essential oils, but these 2 is like a necessity for me. Tea tree helps with keeping my scalp healthy, and lavender conditions my hair plus give it a very nice fragrance. Now I'm going to mix everything all together, and our DIY deep conditioner is ready in less than 10 minutes. And you guys, this is what my hair looks like. I've already washed my hair, and now I'm going to be using this deep conditioner on my hair. There are ways that you can use this treatment on your hair. You can either use it as a mask, like a pre-poo treatment, where you apply it on your hair before you proceed to pre-pooing your hair, and that is okay, right? However, I love to use this treatment when my hair is clean, when my scalp is clean, because I feel when my scalp is clean is when it is in the most condition to accept all the goodies that this treatment comes with, all the vitamins and minerals and what have you, right? Yeah, but if you want to use this as a pre-poo treatment, you can do that before you wash your hair, and once you finish applying it on your hair, you just cover your hair and then let it sit for a while, and then you wash it off with a shampoo, then follow up with your deep conditioner and your conditioner and your regular conditioner, or just follow up with your regular conditioner. However way that you choose to use it is okay, you're going to still see amazing results. Now when applying this mixture on your hair, make sure that you are applying from the root all the way to the end. Now I don't mean applying to your scalp. In case you are sensitive to build up, you can skip applying it directly on your scalp, but if you are not, please apply to your scalp. Your scalp will also benefit from this treatment. However, whether or not you are sensitive to build-ups, please apply this mixture from the roots all the way to your ends, the roots of your hair to fortify it, and the ends of your hair to prevent it from breaking. So what causes our hair to actually break is dryness. Now if you are able to tackle the issue of dryness, trust me, you are one step towards your natural hair goal, right? Whatever it is, whether it is to grow like Rapunzel length, depending on your gene. However, it is not everyone that can grow waist length. Honestly, like, let's be real, okay? There's something called growth cycle, hair growth cycle, but that is not what we are discussing today in this video. But just let me tell you that it is not everyone that will grow waist length hair. But does it really matter how long your hair is? As long as you are able to take care of your hair, nourish your hair, and love your hair at any length, guys, because our hair is unique in its own. I've seen people, our hair is unique on its own, or in its, which one is correct? All right, so I've seen people with shorter hair than mine, and they are being creative with their hair. If you see them creating these amazing styles that even my hair, even with the length of my hair, I would not be able to create. Okay, so the fun or the idea is to enjoy your hair while trying to grow it. I mean, why not? I mean, why not, right? So Maraji said something a while ago, I don't know, it has been trending on TikTok. Say, is your hair, wear it out, let sun touch am. I mean, what do they cover am for? I mean, you want sell am. But yeah, she's right. We are always like trying to protect, cover. The things at the back of our mind is hair growth. I mean, it's good to grow our hair as long as we want it to. There's nothing wrong with it. But then don't be so caught up in trying to grow your hair that you forget to have fun while growing your hair, right? I'm talking to myself too, because I'm always like covering my hair. And yeah, sis, let your hair breathe, enjoy the fun. Seriously, enjoy the process of trying to grow your hair, and that is actually what will help you to love your hair. Let me tell you one thing, one secret. If you don't love your hair, you're not going to give it the attention that it needs. It feels like I'm preaching, but I'm not. Hold up, I want you to understand something. If you don't love your natural hair, you're not going to give it the attention that it needs. And if you're not giving your hair the attention that it needs, your hair is not going to grow. Because let me tell you, no matter how many products that you plaster on your hair, if you're not being gentle with your hair, if you're not doing the right thing at the right time, even if you use the most expensive deep conditioner on your natural hair, you're still not going to see results. Your hair is still going to feel dry, your hair is still going to break. At the end of the day, you will still be stuck at the same length. So learn the technique of taking care of your hair. And I've been doing this using natural hair ingredients, natural hair products, which means you can as well do it without breaking the bank. Now if you love to grow your hair in the natural way, please hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you will be first to get notified. Okay, all right, back to our deep conditioner. Now once I am done deep conditioning my hair, I'll go ahead and cover my hair and let it sit for 30 to 1 hour. In fact, when I am in a hurry, I wrap my hair so that it will trap in heat much more faster. Okay, and yeah, once the time is up, go to the shower and rinse it off. If you're using it as a deep conditioner, sometimes I just rinse it off and that is all. I don't even bother to apply like a rinse off conditioner again. I just rinse off the deep conditioner and follow up with my moisturizing routine, and that is all. All right guys, if you enjoyed this video and if you watched it up to this moment, thank you so much. You're a queen. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video so that more people will see it. Okay, and yeah, until I come your way next time, my name is Favor. Please take care of yourself and bye.